It's for weather-related emergencies or something else. When you call 911, every second counts, even before the ambulance arrives.
That's right, Maureen, and emergency dispatchers are the first line of defense. Under Illinois law, an emergency dispatcher is required to be trained in handling medical calls, but as I investigated, one county let their dispatcher certification lapse, and officials say this could put the county at risk.
When I get a call for an 11-year-old baby that's not breathing, and there's nobody on the phone talking that parent through any action, that's a problem.
Well, the ambulance will be there anytime.
When you call 911 for help, you may not wonder whether or not the dispatcher you're talking to is certified or not, but you should. Newswatch found out through the Illinois Department of Public Health that 6 out of 7 dispatchers in Edgar County haven't been recertified for up to 6 years. That means for the past 6 years, some dispatchers have been working with an expired license while handling medical calls from people like you.
If they're not certified, they're going to be in a line of liability, and that means the county is going to be under fire.
And by under fire, he means lawsuits if an emergency phone call goes bad. Newswatch attended the Emergency Telephone and System Board meeting April 4th. After the meeting, we spoke with E911 Board Chairman Merle Clark, and he told us the basic problem is a critical one.
They cannot give medical advice,
Right,
if they're not medically certified.
Newly elected Edgar County Sheriff Ed Motley, who's been in office since January, says his new administration is trying to do something about it.
If they're going to disperse information about emergency services pertaining to a person's health, they should be certified.
That requirement is in the Emergency Medical Services Systems Act, which says an emergency medical dispatcher must receive continuing education on dispatching every year. We also spoke to E911 coordinator Nanette Bills, who didn't want to go on the camera but says it's poor policing by the Illinois Department of Public Health for not letting them know of the lapse. So we decided to dig a little deeper. We spoke with the Illinois Department of Public Health, who oversees dispatcher certifications. They tell Newswatch they notify dispatchers 60 days before their certification lapses, although there doesn't seem to be an agreement on who's to blame. For now, Edgar County Sheriff Ed Motley says his staff will follow the law.
People who are going to work for me, I want to make sure everybody's trained properly. Because again, we go back to liability.
Now, Newswatch has learned the 6 dispatchers with lapse certifications went through training in Indiana 2 weeks ago. The Illinois Department of Public Health says the Edgar County Sheriff's Department is in the process of sending the state updated paperwork.